Research indicates that the shift we need to make is recognizing that workplace wellness cannot be solved by one organization alone. The challenges we have discussed today, people, performance, customers, and community, are interconnected. They require collaboration. That is why Warsaw built this ecosystem. At the center are employers, because this is where wellness is ultimately experienced and where leadership decisions shape outcomes. Around employers are service providers, specialists who deliver practical interventions across health, leadership, financial well being, and organizational design, to name but a few.